I would say so.
Just bite the shirt or something.
Alright.
Don't count down. Okay.
Alright.
Oh!
I'm totally sizzled.
Damn. Are you laughing or what?
That hurts so bad.
Let's just see the sound of it when we put water on it.
Dude, it looks badass though.
Let me see. Oh my god, you guys are dumb.
Let me see it.
I'm not gonna be able to